Did you know that a black background or dark atmosphere in your photo can be achieved without using a wall, backdrop, or even a black cloth? Black or darker background is a great shade to show the product or person from an image, especially if the object has a lighter or white color. Without further ado, let's get started. In this video tutorial, we are going to teach you how to make a photo's background to black with the Apowersoft background eraser. First of all, open the app and choose from these features if you are going to edit a person, object, or logo background. Then, select the photo to upload and start removing its background automatically. Once done, go to Background, then Color, and choose the color black to put on the edited image. After that, click the Save HD button to keep the video to your device. And that's how you easily turn any background image to black with the Apowersoft background eraser.